Hi, I'm Andy with Real Garage. We're on a new YouTube channel now, so please make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you won't miss anything. If you haven't seen Real Garage, let me show you what you're missing. Our current long-term build is a Pro Touring 1969 Trans Am that will spend time on the street and on the tracks. She's getting the full treatment. Roll cage, wheel tubs, full frame, fuel cell, racing suspension, all topped off with about 1,000 horsepower in race trim. You'll see all the fabrication and welding with machine settings and tips along the way, like using lightweight, high-strength steel tubing for the cage, or using the TIG pulser. You ready to subscribe yet? No? Maybe? Well, we also do lots of projects. Some simple, some more complex, but all with easy to follow steps. Most are garage or shop optimization projects, but sometimes the wife sneaks something in too. And somehow, it always gets to the top of the list. Remember field trips? Well, we're bringing those back too. Hang on as we visit some of our partner friends to see what they're up to, and if we can learn something that we can use on our builds. Of course, we get to play with all the cool gear, like this Multimatic 220 AC/DC. Did you know that you can keep the MIG and the TIG hooked up at the same time? And seamlessly switch between the two just by pulling the trigger on the MIG gun or stepping on the foot control. It remembers your settings. How convenient is that? So if you like good quality content without the major drama, subscribe to Real Garage. We're not all about the high-stress sales pitch. We're here to give you practical applications that you can do with your own machines, or give you the inside scoop on welding and fabrication tips so that you can make an informed decision on your next welder.